Pilot, this is video.
Go ahead.
What are you going to show me today?
So after a couple days of getting bounced around a little bit, we've kind of gone across the entirety of the Gulf, and now we're diving on a place that we're calling the Middleton Canyon.
We're about 2,200 meters depth.
Anything over 1,000 meters is largely unknown across this region. So this is an excellent opportunity for us to use our platform, ROV D2 or Deep Discoverer. I've never seen a zoom like the one that D2 has.
These cameras give us a great 18 times zoom to be able to see these small details.
It's always important to capture these nice tight zooms. You can see all sorts of diagnostic features on these animals, and that can give us important information about what species it might be. Can we pan over to the left and look at that sponge, the white one? This is something that I've never seen before. I've been looking at glass sponges for quite a while. Good to document, and with this level of zoom we can do quite a bit.
It's always amazing to me how much detail these cameras can capture. Really special to be able to go into these very inaccessible environments and get such a good look at things.